Hey everyone, how you doing? If you are new here, I'm Nicol Concilio and welcome to the video, y'all. I'm so excited today because I got my new FabFitFun box in the mail, and you guys know this video is going to be sponsored by them today, but I always get really excited when I get this box because I feel like I have so many fun goodies inside that I even forgot that I picked. So I'm really excited to go through this today with you guys and show you how I like to use my FabFitFun subscription box and kind of some like fun little date ideas with it as well. If you don't know what FabFitFun is, they are a seasonal subscription box. And here's the best part. They have all full-size items, no samples. And it comes with fashion, beauty, lifestyle, wellness. And this box is available in the US, Canada, and the UK. So if you guys are interested in checking out FabFitFun, you can use my discount code NICOLFFF. One cool thing about this box is you could really customize it to fit your lifestyle, your fashion, your vibe, whatever you're kind of going through and wanting that kind of season. And I love that it's not just one thing. I love that you can choose from a bunch of really awesome full-size products. So let's take a look at what's inside this box. And you guys, one other thing, you will actually get some items in here that are worth more than the price of the box you pay for itself. It's really cool. And you guys know I'm all about women empowerment and the future is female. So I love that with FabFitFun, most of the products in your box will be from women-founded companies, and I think that's really cool. I love supporting my girlies out there, you know what I'm saying? They also have a light carbon footprint. Everything from their boxes are going to be recyclable. And I also really do like the fact that FabFitFun is constantly working with charities. For this season, they are partnering with Make-A-Wish and they donated over $1 million. So I really just enjoy a company that not only has good products and a good idea, but has a good backbone behind them as well. So let's get on in and do a little unboxing. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to use these items and give you guys some ideas and little tips and tricks. One thing I love the most about this box is that every time I get it, I feel like I have a new activity to do. So this summer box is kind of based on all picnic ideas, and it's all kind of things to get me moving and getting outside of the house, which has been a challenge for me, especially with my mental health. You guys know I always talk about that. So I like the fact that this is giving me something new to do and to try. So the first product that I chose in the box is actually this setting spray. I love a good setting spray and little refresher, especially in the summer months. And this is the Watermelon Burst setting spray from Ciate, London. And anything with like fruits in it, watermelon, I'm such a sucker for. Oh, it smells so freaking good. The second item that I chose for this box is actually from Corksicle, and I was so excited when I saw this as an option on the website because I love Corksicle. Riley and I are such a Corksicle fam. These are great for keeping your drinks cold and nice and insulated. They're great for a little picnic, which I'm gonna do a little bit later and show you guys how I like to spruce up my little picnics and make something fun. But I love this because it has the lid where you can open it or keep it closed. But I also was excited because it came with a silicone reusable straw. Ever since I got veneers and just in general, I always have sensitive teeth. I am such a straw girl, and especially because I just got my lips tattooed as well. I'm very much so a silicone straw girl or a metal straw girl, so this is awesome for me. And guess what? It fits in your drink. So this is perfect. This is gonna be my new go-to summer cup. When the sun hits it, it has like little holographic glitters in it, so it's really pretty. So keeping with our drink theme, we got here Liquid IV Hydration Multiplier. I actually go out of my way to buy these when I'm at Costco, and I love them. I'm never getting enough water. Like I just suck at drinking water. I don't know what it is. I don't know if anybody else out there can relate, but these are really, really great because it helps give you all the hydration you need with just drinking like a glass of water. And there's different flavors in here as well. We have lemon lime, strawberry, and watermelon. I personally love the lemon lime. It reminds me of lemonade on a nice hot day, you know, get your ice cubes, get your little corksicle drink. So if you're looking at this, right, you may think, oh, great, we can make some ice cubes. I think, great, I can make peanut butter frozen treats for the dogs. So that's exactly what I'm gonna use this for. The dogs absolutely love frozen peanut butter, and this time of year when it's getting hot, I really try to get them more cooling and hydrating and treats that are just a little bit more cold, especially for my Junie girl, my pitty girl, because she gets really, really hot in the summertime. This is from a brand called Blush, and it is a pineapple shaped ice mold. But again, I'm gonna use these to make little peanut butter treats. You also could use these to put like little fruits with water as well, or coconut water. And if you are using a peanut butter, make sure you're using a natural organic peanut butter for the dogs, because I actually found out that some peanut butters can be really high in like sugars and fats, so just be careful. I love that this subscription box comes with so many things that are just so handy that I don't have. So I don't have any type of squeezer. We just squeeze by hand in this house, okay? This is from AR and Cook. This is the citrus squeezer. Again, great for making some drinks, and it's dishwasher safe, which was a big key for me because I don't like washing dishes. I throw everything in the dishwasher. Of course, I had to get a little makeup goodie, hello. But this is from Seraphine Botanicals. This is their fruit butter lip mask. Whenever I'm choosing makeup products for the FabFitFun box, I never really have to worry too much about ingredients. They'll never have coal tar, they'll never have like formaldehydes or any of those scary ingredients. So I can really rest easy knowing that whatever I'm putting on my face or on my lips that comes in my FabFitFun box, that the ingredients are really, really good. It smells amazing. Oh my God, Riley, I'll have to use you. Come here. A nice little treatment mask. Oh, that is so nice. How's it feel?
It does smell really good.
It smells really fruity without being too much. This is Seraphine Botanicals. I know, we get to even try new brands. It's so fun. It gets me out of my comfort zone of always trying the same brands. Believe it or not, you guys, I don't have a proper jewelry case or a jewelry holder or even a jewelry stand. So when I saw this, I was like, I need it. This is a travel size jewelry box. And look at how cute it is. I put some of my rings in, I put some earrings in. There's also a really cute mirror, and I even have some of my necklaces in the back kind of ready to go. I am a big fan of organization. However, I stink at organizing my jewelry. I love this. I love that I can just take this on the go. And especially for me, when Riley and I are doing our photo shoots for the merch and other brand campaigns and things like that, a lot of the times I'll shoot footage in the same day and get like a lot of my content done. Most of the times I'll just throw my jewelry around in bags. So I really love that now I can have this to travel with. Keeping with our picnic theme, we got this really cute lemon tray. This is from Love TTM, and it is so cute. I really can't wait to go outside and have snacks with this. I honestly don't have a lot of trays. Even though I've been in my house almost 3 years, I still am trying to put together like furniture and trays and get organized in my house. And the last thing we have in our box is a Society 6 blanket. This is a picnic blanket that rolls up and velcros, so it's really easy to travel with and transport. These are also water resistant. It protects with dew on the ground or wet grass or any of those things. I really do feel like this is gonna be my picnic staple. So let's go outside and have a picnic. hope you guys enjoyed this video of me testing out some FabFitFun, showing you guys how I like to incorporate this into my life. I really do look forward to getting this box. It's a great gift as well. I gifted one to my sister, and more than anything, it kind of just gives me an activity to do. So again, if you guys are interested in checking out FabFitFun, you could check the description bar down below and also use my discount code NicolFFF. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like what you see, please consider subscribing, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!